We're near Christmas. There's Christmas decorations everywhere and it's amazing. I want you guys to see how the British people adore Christmas, you know, how they decorate their city. So I've covered City of London. I did a walk of City of London and covered the Christmas decorations. Today, I am going to cover the Christmas decorations in Cambridge Mall, and you just see how they decorate. If you're lucky, I'll get also few pictures of University of Cambridge. Yes, one of the famous, best university in UK. I wrote a Cambridge exam while I was doing my O-level in Zimbabwe. My certificate is actually written Cambridge University, because when we wrote the exams, they used to send the papers over to Cambridge University marked, and we get the results. Although I didn't go to Cambridge University, I went to a different university, but I'm proud to just have a Cambridge University certificate. Because of the weather, I am going to do a bit of a walk in Cambridge so that I can show you what Cambridge is all about. You hear about Cambridge University, Cambridge Town, but I'm not going to cover the whole Cambridge. I'll cover the places I think you need to know, so that in future you want to visit, you know exactly which places to visit. I'm in the motorways heading to Cambridge. I'll see you when we get there. Are now in Cambridge. As you can see, the campus of Cambridge starts here. That is old British telephone booth. It's just outside Cambridge campus. I'm sorry, it's a bit rainy today. Across there. We are now in Grand Arcade, Cambridge. This is the Grand Arcade. This is Eddie's Easy Dinner. This is the Grand Arcade in Cambridge Mall. You know, as you can see, it's quite busy because it's Christmas time. You can see one of the Christmas decorations. Famous John Lewis. That is the famous John Lewis. Okay, this is the Grand Arcade. As you can see, it's in Cambridge. It's really busy.
Everybody goes a turkey and a mistletoe. Help to keep the season bright. Find each lost with their eyes on the road. We'll find it hard to sleep tonight. Santa's on his way. Lots of toys and goodies on his way, and every child is gonna start singing reindeer night. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 99. Although it's been said many times, anyway, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you.
As you've heard, these are the singing penguins singing Christmas carol. Check you later. I'm just walking to small alleyway into Cambridge University.